Now I'm going to demo how a cybercriminal might use a social engineering tool similar to the one in the demo to harvest credentials. Then they use the information gathered to craft a targeted spear phishing campaign. For this demo, I will be cloning a website and harvesting credential that could be used for a spear phishing or social engineering campaign. I've already set up a virtual environment for Kali Linux. I'm choosing Social Engineering Toolkit, selecting Social Engineering Attacks, Website Attack Vectors, Credential Harvester Attack Method, and then finally, the Site Cloner option. Since I'm on a localhost, I will be using this IP address shown here instead of an external address. Now you can also check your localhost IP address by doing a ifconfig as shown here on the screen. The URL that I want to clone for this demo is Facebook. I'm copying Facebook URL and pasting it here. This page provides a summary of the IP address and the site cloning information. And I'm going to hit return to acknowledge and continue. Here it shows that any hit of any credentials will also be displayed in the bottom. In this scenario, I've created this email ahead of time and I can use it to send it to my target. I'll replace the IP address with Facebook URL. Now, assuming that my target received the email and clicked on the Facebook URL, it will take her to the sign-on page through my IP address. Notice that the IP address shown here, it's my localhost. If my target didn't pay attention to the malicious URL, she would then enter her email and password to try to sign into Facebook. Only if I could type. She would then click login. Here, I'm going to show the password that my target provided. Her username is "this is a test only" and this is her password. Now, it'll take her back to the login screen, but notice that now it has the correct, legitimate Facebook URL. My target could be thinking that she had entered the wrong username or password. In the background, her credential has been logged and you can see it right here. Now I can use this credential to log into her Facebook account and gather personal and sensitive information that I can use for spear phishing or social engineering campaign.